In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free domain for your Wix website in 2025, step-by-step guide. We'll walk through creating a site in Wix Studio, publishing it, and claiming a free Wix Studio domain so your project has a shareable web address right away. I'll keep it simple, clear, and practical. First, head to your Wix Studio dashboard and open the Sites area. This is where all your projects live and where you'll start anything new. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access the site tools. Next, select Create New Site. This kicks off a fresh project and takes you to the Setup flow, where you can pick the best starting point for your design. Choose the Studio Template option. Studio templates are optimized for Wix Studio's editor and tools, giving you a professional foundation with flexible layouts and components. On the Templates page, click the highlighted option you want to start from. Think about your brand style and content needs. Choosing a template that's close to your vision saves time later. Click Edit to open the template in the Wix Studio editor. You can customize text, images, and sections here, but if your goal is the free domain, you don't need to perfect everything right now. A quick pass to replace any obvious placeholder text is usually enough. When you're ready, click Publish. Publishing makes your site live and enables the domain connection options. Don't worry, publishing now doesn't lock anything. You can update the site anytime and republish. After publishing, select Connect your own customized domain. You'll see options for using a custom domain you already own or grabbing a free Wix Studio domain. For this tutorial, we're taking the free route. Click Get a free Wix Studio domain. This gives you a professional-looking subdomain provided by Wix Studio, perfect for portfolios, drafts, or early-stage launches. Keep your domain short, readable, and relevant to your brand or project. If a name is taken, try small variations and avoid special characters where possible. Finally, click Save and Continue. Wix will assign the domain to your site, and you'll see a confirmation. Your site is now accessible at the new address. If it doesn't load right away, give it a minute and refresh. Sometimes it takes a moment to propagate. A few quick tips before we wrap up. You can return to the editor anytime to refine your design and republish. The free Wix Studio domain is great for testing and sharing. And if you ever want a custom.com without platform branding, you can upgrade later and connect